Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce product listings with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce product listings on eBay, begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the My eBay section at the top of the page. Click on Selling in the drop-down menu. Once on your selling dashboard, locate the Active Listings section. Review the items you currently have listed. Identify products that are either out of stock or have low sales performance. Select the listings you wish to remove or revise. To quickly select multiple items, use the checkboxes next to each listing. After selecting the items, locate the End Listings option at the top or bottom of the page. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure you want to end these listings. Alternatively, if you want to revise, select the Edit option for individual listings. Make necessary changes, such as adjusting the price or quantity. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, save the changes. Consider using eBay's bulk listing tool if you have a large number of items to edit. This tool allows you to make changes to multiple listings simultaneously. Always double-check for any errors before finalizing your listings. Regularly reviewing your inventory helps maintain an organized selling profile. After managing your listings, monitor your sales performance to determine if further adjustments are needed. By keeping your product listings streamlined, you enhance your overall eBay selling experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.